Hello, car enthusiasts. Have you ever faced sluggish engine performance or random misfires in your car? It might be due to trouble code P0202, indicating an issue with injector circuit for cylinder 2. If you're wondering what this code means, where the sensor is located, and how to fix it, stay tuned. We'll break it all down for you right here on IG Garage. P0202 is a diagnostic trouble code, or DTC. That means there's an issue with the fuel injector circuit in cylinder 2. This could be due to a wiring problem, a failed injector, or even an issue with the powertrain control module, or PCM. When this happens, your vehicle's performance may drop significantly and the engine light will likely come on. Now let's get to the part you've been waiting for, the sensor location. The fuel injector for cylinder 2 is typically found near the intake manifold, where the injector feeds fuel into the corresponding cylinder. In a 4-cylinder engine, cylinder 2 is usually the second one from the front of the engine block. To locate it, open your vehicle's hood and locate the intake manifold. Look for the fuel rail attached to the injectors. Cylinder 2's injector is the second in line on the fuel rail. Trace the wiring harness leading to the injector. This is where you'll check for connectivity issues or damage. Once located, inspect for any loose connections, frayed wires, or corrosion that might cause the issue. If the injector itself is faulty, replacing it is usually the best solution. Always use a multimeter to verify continuity and ensure the circuit is operating within the correct range. If this video helped you identify or fix your P0202 error, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more automotive tips and tricks. And hey, if you're tackling error codes, check out these videos next. P0170. Fuel trim malfunction, a common issue tied to fuel efficiency. P0266. Cylinder 2 contribution balance, which may also be relevant if you're dealing with performance issues. Thanks for watching IG Garage and see you in the next video.